Saivedam Jagadhata Bhagavan Dharma Rupa Dhrik Pushnati Sthapayan Vishwam Tiryannara Suradivihi. He, the personality of Godhead as the maintainer of all in the universe, appears in different incarnations after establishing the creation, and that he reclaims all kind of conditioned souls among the humans, the non-humans, and the demigods. Saivedam Jagadhata. There's a discussion about how Prabhupada's focus in the purport, the meditation, that Krishna is transcendental. Generally, Prabhupada says in the end of the purport, we tend to compare everything to ourselves. That is our disease, correct? सब कुछ अपने से compare करते हैं. That's why most of the people cannot accept. They cannot accept Krishna's transcendental activities. And they also think they're so envious, they think they can also become like that. They say, okay, Krishna was maybe some Punyatma, he could do all this thing. I'll do some tapasya, I can also do that. What do you say? It's offense or not? Prabhupada is telling like a frog in the well. The frog in the well thinks that, ocean maybe, when we inform about ocean, they think maybe a little bigger than my well. He doesn't know what is the size of ocean. Right? So we are presently bound. We are completely chained. So we think Krishna is also like that. Therefore, we are not supposed to hear Krishna's Rasa Leela now. Even though it is said Rasa Leela is so nice, if you hear with faith, from a transcendental Rasa Leela with faith, from bona fide authority, you will get free from sex desire. That's what we recommend. Somebody says, mind, read Rasa Leela every day. And actually, the same thing that he meditates is there. But here it is between Krishna and the gopis, and we know it is transcendental as it is presented. We understand, I am just running after something stupid. That's the real. That's a reason. There are various reasons why did Krishna present Rasa Leela at all. When Krishna showed Rasa Leela, Parikshit Maharaj asked, wait a minute, why did Krishna do this pastime? He came to establish dharma, and middle of night he is dancing with other people's wife. This is going to create havoc. He asked this question. Shukamuni. Parikshit Maharaj asked Shukamuni. Correct question, because this question many people don't know the answer of this. So then Shukamuni explains very nicely. So please try to understand. Neither the gopis, neither Krishna belong to this world. They belong to the spiritual world. And these pastimes are not to be looked in a material way at all. And whichever angle you take, if you take it material, then you cannot find fault. Krishna was only 8-year-old. 8-year-old child cannot have sex desire. And if you think he is spiritual, then it's under another plane. Another plane. So, to understand the Rasa Leela of the Lord, first you have to understand transcendental. Rasa Leela is transcendental. First you understand Krishna's creation is transcendental. Today we are looking at the creation in such a gross way. Prabhupada says in the purport, the will of the Lord. The Lord has a will. आपका भी will होता है, but वो will अपने तक ही रह जाता है. करें, कोई नहीं सुनता. So many people have will. It doesn't cross the boundary of the house. आपका will वहीं पे बंद. But Krishna's will, nobody can do anything. Prabhupada is saying so nicely, when Krishna wants to destroy, there is no resistance possible. It destroys the whole universe without any resistance. जब कृष्ण जी पूरी सृष्टि को नष्ट करना चाहते हैं, किसी की शक्ति नहीं रोक ले, है ना. जब वह क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, इनफैक्ट भक्तिसिद्धांत प्रभुपाद said even a very sweet thing in Brahma Samhita. He says nobody can place any obstacle in the enjoyment of Krishna. किसी की ताकत नहीं है कि भगवान के लीला को रोक सके, कोई नहीं है दुनिया में. Nobody can stop. So that is the position. Krishna is extremely powerful, but most important चीज कृष्णा की क्या है? कृष्णा is transcendental. क्या शब्द है ट्रांसेंडेंटल के लिए? क्या शब्द होगा हिंदी में? दिव्य. हाँ, टोटली दिव्य. इसलिए जब भी मैं प्रार्थना देखता हूँ मैं अपना तरफ से, पहला मेडिटेशन सब लोग देते हैं कि कृष्णा दिव्य. जितने आपके 3 मोड्स हैं, माया, सब चीज़ से परे हैं. हमको उधर से शुरू करना पड़ता है. एंड कृष्ण की दिव्य लीला, रास लीला से पहले आपको कृष्ण की दिव्य क्रिएशन लीला को समझना पड़ेगा. वो भी आसान नहीं है समझना, बिकॉज ट्रांसेंडेंटल है वो आपका. इट सेज हाउ एक के बाद एक, फ्रॉम ईथर, then there is manifestation of air, then there is manifestation of earth, water, fire, then water, then earth, and every stage the senses are also getting created. वो पढ़ रहे थे हम. और every stage the devatas, आध्यात्मिक, आदि भौतिक, आदि देविक, whole thing is being set up. So detailed creation is happening. इतना डिटेल क्रिएशन भगवान कर रहे हैं. वो भी दिव्य है, वो भी भौतिक नहीं है, आप नहीं समझ पाओगे उसको. दैट देयर ऑल्सो एवरी स्टेज द ग्लांस ऑफ महाविष्णु, द ग्लांस ऑफ महाविष्णु. क्या समझ आता है हमको? इट्स दिव्य. Therefore, the material scientists do not understand even this much. Krishna creation with Divya hai. Krishna, so they cannot, first they have to understand this. Then they have to meditate on the Divya position of the Lord. Then when Krishna is pleased, he will reveal himself. उनकी इच्छा है. So Krishna की जो will है वो भी दिव्य. It cannot be stopped. You cannot stop. Therefore प्रभुपाद जी बोलते हैं जो शुद्ध भक्त होते हैं भगवान की विल को पकड़ना चाहते हैं. क्या भगवान चाहते हैं? यही नहीं, अब उनका जीवन में भी उनको बहुत कुछ करने की इच्छा है. भगवान का इंडिकेशन वेट करते हैं, अब करो. They wait for some signal and Krishna gives some signal. You know, we have that example of Krishna giving signal. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami ka, you know, he went to the temple. All the Vaishnavas asked him, you know, you write Chaitanya Charitamrita something, and he went to the temple and one garland fell. Signal, you know, they give a signal. Do it. Now you do it. He even had a dream. Even Nityananda Prabhu told, go to Vrindavan. So devotees को exactly दिव्य signal मिलता है. Do now, do now. And they are always waiting for signal of the Lord. Now what to do? It's not that they act whimsical. यार मेरे को करना है. They know the will of the Lord. भगवान की जो इच्छा है मैं उसके नीचे. True, भगवान की इच्छा पता चलती है गुरु से. It's true. But Krishna is also sitting in the heart as Paramatma, and then indication comes, then person starts working. He's very careful. So Krishna's actually will is predominating our life. Whole universe is also moving under Krishna's will. What has Krishna decided, that will happen. We cannot change. Nobody can put an obstacle. So first we understand in this way Krishna's will in the terms of creation. The detailed creation is going on the order of Krishna. Jak chakshuresa savita sakala grahana raja samasta suramurti ashesha tejaha. All the devatas are moving on the order of Krishna. They are moving, they are going left, right, because they know Krishna's order is there. And very happily they are carrying Krishna's order. ऐसा नहीं कि ऑफिस में एम्प्लॉय होता है, बोला थोड़ा ये कर दो, अब ये भी कर दिया. नहीं, with great pleasure, great honor. Suppose Krishna comes and he says, bring me a glass of water. It's a great honor. He called me and he told me to bring water. And so all the orders of the Lord are also transcendental. Tapo divyam. Jitna bhi hum tapasya kar rahe hain, that is also transcendental. Ye Bhagavatam is also transcendental. Sab transcendental hai. But it is not easy to detect. When चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ का दर्शन करके मूर्छित हो गए थे, भौतिक भी हो सकता था. कोई आदमी कभी कभी हृदय होता है, हार्ट अटैक हो गया होगा. नहीं, सौरभ भट्टाचार्य को इतना अकल था, पता चल गया दिव्य कुछ पोजीशन है. He could understand that one. And then he brought him to his house because people were very very upset. क्या है, रास्ता रोक दिया, लोग दर्शन कैसे करेंगे, भोग लगाना है, अभी पड़ा हुआ है सन्यासी इतना लंबा सा. Look, the people were not able to understand actually. But Saurabh Bhattacharya said, don't touch him. Carefully, he, with the help of his people, brought him to his home, and he saw there are no symptoms. He's completely trance. And aapka to, you have that. Kya aapka stethoscope, no? They don't need that. So he had a soft cotton. He keeps in front of the nose of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he sees this moving little. He knows he is in trance. So that's the way they can understand. So that is totally divya. The Prabhupada says many times, I told that somebody asked Prabhupada ji ko, आपका ये क्या मतलब है Krishna conscious movement का? Prabhupada ji ने बहुत मुश्किल है समझना इस movement को, ये totally दिव्य. अभी हम भी इस movement को समझे नहीं है. Krishna consciousness क्या होती है अभी मालूम नहीं हमको. What Prabhupada wants to give us, that's why it says every day, Purna Amrita Swadanam. We will not even know. Krishna consciousness is so beautiful actually. So Prabhupada wants to give Krishna consciousness, therefore he has given us this beautiful literature. Savai Pumsa Paro Dharma. Totally transcendental. That is the gift. I was hearing, I just shared on WhatsApp some Prabhupada memories. We have to hear from Prabhupada disciples. We were not so fortunate. And they talk about that one day Prabhupada was telling in the class that Lord Chaitanya Nityananda is so kind to you. Some part of the world Prabhupada installed Gaur Nitai. They have come all the way to bless you. And he just took a class for 3 minutes, that's all. Then he could not speak because devotees don't show their bhavas. And a great devotees hold. But when they cannot hold, they go away. He could not hold. He said like, hota na, syringe ke tarah pani aata na kabhi. It was so strong. He just got up and walked away. But for devotees, that was enough to see that how much he loves and how much he understands the mercy of Lord Chaitanya. Okay? To bestowing, Lord Chaitanya is bestowing a totally transcendental moment to us. What he is bestowing, we don't know. Krishna prema kya cheez hai ye? We do not know. We only know metal word kya hai, kya hai. ये जो स्नेह होता है जिसके पीछे भागे रहते हैं. If you उसको छू भी जाओगे ना, ऐसे छोड़ के भागोगे. Why? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked Rupa Sanatana, come. They came. Immediately they left. True. उनका position बहुत. They are Manjaris of the spiritual world, Rupa Manjari and all. They are associates of Lord Chair. But you see that that is what attracts. Once you taste muhu, again and again you keep thinking about it. बहुत अच्छा कुछ कहीं स्वीट खाते हो तो दिनों तक याद रहता ना, क्या खाया था. I wish I can. Similarly, when you taste Krishna consciousness, you cannot leave. Many of us had interacted with Krishna consciousness, but then we were again looking for an opportunity. How when I get again an opportunity, एक और बारी chance मिल जाए. I can, and that is why. So this is totally a transcendental process. Totally. Bhagavatam is, this is Prabhupada says another, totally a transcendental science. This is also science. Actually इसी को science बोल सकते हैं. विशेष ज्ञान. अब ज्ञान की परिभाषा लोगों को मालूम नहीं है. प्रभु जी बोल रहे थे लोगों को ज्ञान की विशेष ज्ञान मतलब क्या बात कर रहे हैं. दिस इज एक्चुअली साइंस, बट चलो लुकिंग, बिकॉज पीपल टॉक सो मेनी थिंग्स आर साइंस, दिस इज transcendental science. So when we touch this transcendental science in association of devotees, then gradually we become enlightened. And then as we develop, that's why meditation of the deities bhi hota hai. Deity is also transcendental. But first we see the lotus feet, then we see the legs, we slowly, gradually go. So there are higher and higher dimensions of this transcendental science of Krishna consciousness. Totally transcendental, but there are different dimensions. Gradually develop. Okay? So that should be our objective, that our life, we do so many things in our life, but as a duty. Because if we hold on to material attachments, very difficult to get attached to Krishna. It will become, you cannot do both at the same time. See, I tell you, it's very natural. When your mind is fresh, you not put your love here and there. Correct? You are on the platform now. Sattva-guna. Sattva-guna means duty. Tamoguna, he only sleeps. रजोगुण में आदमी काम करता है लेकिन अटैचमेंट की वजह से काम करता है. इस प्रोपेलिंग फैक्टर ऑफ रजोगुण इज वी फील वेरी अटैच्ड to different objects of sense gratification, including human beings. We feel very attached. That is Rajogun, not Sattvagun. Sattvagun, you do things as a duty. And actually you do very well at it. And you are detached also. अभी ये दुनिया में प्रचार कर रहे हैं and my family members are not interested to become Krishna conscious. Okay. Prabhupada is not crying. My wife is not interested. ठीक है भाई. Totally detached. Let me do my duty as a husband. She doesn't want to participate. What can I do? Did he talk about that any time? Ek line we came. His heart is not. He is thinking of the whole world because he is free from the attachment. That small क्या होता है वो 2 फीट का 2 फीट घर है उसी में एक दूसरे को देख रहे. क्या कर रहे हो भाई? करोड़ लोग हैं दुनिया में. Isn't it? But we get attached to that small thing. Oh, duty. I do my duty. Because we have taken some role, it's not that we are neglecting that. But my desire to spread Krishna consciousness should not be limited to that 2 feet house. Whole world is there to spread Krishna consciousness. So Rajoguna means too much attachment to the family. That will be the manifestation Rajoguna. Sattva-guna is as a duty. But then when the heart is fresh like this, it's like you see the deities, you can pour your love. Agreed? It's like loving tendency is there in the heart. अभी बड़ा बात है बहुत. But I'm just taking a simple thing. You are able to give your affection to the deities. You are able to give your affection to the holy name, to the Shastra, to the Acharya. You are holding it. Guru, Krishna, सब जगह you can pour. But you've already put it in so many places. Therefore Prabhupada says in the introduction, Krishna book, it says Krishna conscious me is an art. It's an art by which I pull my affection from all the places and give it to Krishna. And through Krishna, I love the whole world. You understand? So this is a very nice important point here. That Krishna's whole pastime is transcendental. Keep meditating on this. There is no way. Therefore, Prabhupada says to understand this transcendental science submissively, we should hear. Because this is another plane. Don't use your material concepts here. You will become Kupa Manduka Nyaya. That's what he discussed. What you will become? Kupa Manduka Nyaya if you bring your material concept. अपना ये दुनिया का जो देखा है, that's what the Mayavadis do. They put material concept, they impose on God. And then they get some funny idea about God. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Therefore, when you are doing that, you will never come to transcendental plane. That is also material, it will be anti-material. They say in the world attachment is not good, God has no attachment. In this world form is not good, God has no form. You are bringing your material conception to God. That is also matter only. But transcendental means it is beyond your capacity of mind to even conceive. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. अभी हम ही ले लो, हम लोग भी टोटली भौतिक थे. हमको किसी को जब डिवोटीज को मिलने के पहले भी जितना भी आइडिया था भगवान का या भक्ति का या जो भी मेटेरियल ही था, टोटली मेटेरियल आइडिया वाज देयर. वी डिडंट इवन नो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू रिसीव. True, that we have any idea, because we had material ही होगा. थोड़ा शांति होती होगी तो मौन बैठे रहते लोग. That's what the people are playing with, correct? But it is transcendental. So to receive this transcendental very submissively, namanta eva. Brahma says namanta eva. पहले humble हो जाओ. And वार्ता, इस कथा को थोड़ा सबमिसिवली सुनो, बहुत सबमिसिवली उधर. तद्वाग विसर्गो जनताग विप्लवो यस्मिन् प्रतिश्लोक अवधिवती अपि. डज नॉट मैटर. अरे इतना अच्छा पोएट्री नहीं है, थोड़ा ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है, डज नॉट मैटर. भवदीय वार्ता, इफ इट इज स्पोकन बाय ग्रेट डिवोटीज, ग्रेट आचार्यस, यू हियर सबमिसिवली. एंड व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन? देन you will receive transcendental divya. Oh, so what is this? Very interesting thing, correct? So therefore all we need, because it is transcendental, the bol rahe, but how do you conceive? You have to hear very attentively. You have to hear the message, and then we can, because you don't bring your logic and reason. It's not that it's not logical. Transcendentally it is logical. It is not that it is science. Transcendental science it is. Now aapka some devotee very nicely explained, can you prove God? He said, I can prove God, but not by mundane logic, by transcendental logic, because I need many elements which your mundane thing cannot see. I need those elements. Like I'll talk about soul, I'll talk about consciousness, I'll talk about so many things which you cannot. I have to bring in so many elements. You are not ready now. Prabhupada also said, it's not a 2-minute joke. The Bhagwan, how do you say God? It's not a joke, Prabhupada says. And you have to, just like Ayurveda mein kya karte hain, prepare the body to receive the medicine. You have to prepare yourself to receive Lord. You have to prepare yourself. Keshav was telling that sister had gone to the Ayurvedic hospital. So she had some eye problem. So they were giving some medication for the body. So आँख की problem है और आप इधर उधर कर रहे हो. I said, नहीं, wait a minute. You are preparing your body to receive the medicine. We have to prepare ourselves to receive Krishna. ठीक है? Because transcendental knowledge is non-different from Krishna. You have to prepare ourselves, and then you can receive. Just like you're inviting God to your house, you have to clean your house, you have to wash your house, you have to make dust everything out of the house, you have to arrange everything very neatly, nicely. Agreed? Actually, that should be there. Vice versa also. If we say God is there somewhere, then everything should be like this. Otherwise, we will not accept God is there. If He is there, He is not manifested His presence. भगवान है तो सब कुछ बहुत साफ, clean, well organized, neat होना चाहिए. भगवान है मतलब अपनी presence manifest नहीं कर रहे. God is everywhere. सबके दिल में. When He manifests His presence, is a different thing. And Prabhupada अमेरिका में उनके रूम में लोग मिलने जाते थे. उनका छोटा सा रूम था ना, छोटा सा रूम. एक वहाँ पे स्टोर फ्रंट था और उनका रूम था. So first thing they used to notice, प्रभुपाद जी की उम्र 70 के ऊपर थी. उनका रूम इतना साफ था, वो दिख के लगता था